So every time we are going somewhere, we have to take our trailer. We have so much stuff, as you can see here. We also have more at the back of the car. Packed up and ready to go. Ready for the adventure. So here we are. So this is one of the RMK forest huts, they call it. And this is near Värska. And it has a really nice lake right next to it. So you can't get too close to it with your car. So you have to carry your stuff to the house. But it's a really nice green all around. So you have this cute little hut. There's actually another hut a little bit down the road. You've got little fireplaces and everything. So this is like a perfect for our little getaway.
It's nice you can be free here. It's gonna be nice to be here 24 hours, huh?
Yeah, man, for sure. Yeah. Okay, so you boys just help me to unpack some bits.
Tank is definitely loving running around here, and so do the boys. And can't wait to get in the sauna and swim in here also. Dolly is having the best nap here in the pushchair, enjoying the fresh air. Oh, look how cute she is.
Okay, so this is the little house that we're staying in. It sleeps 4, so you got a bunk bed with mattresses on both sides. Very nice. You got a little table, a little kitchen corner. You got a like a fireplace. It's very old, but I like it. It's like proper old school rustic. So yeah. Got a kettle. So there's been people before us and they've left things, which is quite nice. And here, 1 second guys. This is the sauna, yeah. People have left their towels. Right, so this is the sauna. It's actually quite big. Right. So it's like old and rustic, but I like it. And then when you come out, you go straight into the lake. You okay?
Yeah.
Getting all the stuff in now. We're moving in here. Proper moving in now.
Took this to here.
Yes, it's good that we have this trolley, yeah?
Yeah, it's handy.
Because the car is parked up there.
Really handy.
Yeah, it's beautiful here. So we also have got neighbors. So there are some people are camping over there.
Daddy broke it.
It is.
This is Tank's bed. Getting the boat ready. Boys are going swimming. So we have moved in now, pretty much. Tank is loving life. So we have now got all our stuff inside in the sauna. We've made the beds. This is Dolly's bed. This one I need to put up still. Got all our food bits. There's them in the fridge. This is all our food and drinks. Last night I actually pre-cooked some food, so today is easy. We're gonna do some barbecue and we're gonna warm up this food.
Mummy,
Got water, drinking water. Yes?
can you come swimming this way?
I will come in a minute, yeah?
Okay.
I will come, yeah?
Look, Mummy.
Nice. Don't go very far, yeah? Because we don't know how deep it is.
I know how to swim.
I know you know. Alright, all set. So this is Dolly's bed. This is a Bugaboo Stardust travel coat. It's brilliant. I love it because it's got the newborn thing where you can have it high in a newborn setting, or when they are older you put it at the bottom, and you can also use it as a playpen. Love it. Enjoying the lunch.
Yes, very nice.
It's good
Not
that
as much as Tank's enjoying the leftovers, look.
Thank you, little menace.
What?
Good stuff.
I had too much in my mouth. I couldn't swallow any of it.
This one's already had food. Oh, she's awake again.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Little Dolly here is only about 20 days old. She was born on the 1st of July, and we had already been basically in a house almost a month, so we wanted to get out, so we took this trip and stayed here in the campsite for 24 hours. This is actually a public beach, and others are also allowed to come here and swim.
Check out the boys, huh? One on the paddleboard, one chilling with the bow.
Just left Mummy and Daddy on the shore by
Yeah.
ourselves with Tank, who instantly as well decided to go swimming.
The sunny. These boys, they're just loving it, huh?
Tell you what, I'm never going back to England. This life is too good.
And what's Stank eating?
No idea. But I'm going to wash my hands off. I'm sure it was disgusting. We saw a snake here as well, by the way. Just there, just chilling, cooling off, having a swim. You know.
I'm probably gonna stay away from that bush area if the,
sorry. We
if
went
the
over
snake
there.
is still
We went
there.
over there to scare it off. It was nasty.
Okay, so it's not poisonous, but still,
Venomous, nasty.
not my favorite thing.
Didn't we tell Tank he was going to have the best life?
Yeah.
We said, when we went to England, Tank, we said you're going to have the best life. I think you agree, this is not a bad life, is it?
Well, at least he knows how to play fetch now.
It's the first time I actually played proper fetch with him today.
Look at him.
Boy, he's a clever boy. He's a clever boy. He's a clever boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, like that. Drop. Good boy.
And little Dolly sleeping here.
Ready. Yeah, he's a clever boy. He's a clever boy.
He's like, I'm not giving it back to you.
Good boy. He's a good boy.
Right, so the boys are there, far away.
I know, it's like latest, bro. Not
Dolly's
coming back.
asleep. She's had some food. Now she's having a nap. They are far.
We have life vest for the boys, so we can be calm on the shore knowing that they're going to be fine. They have already been practicing quite some time, so they are quite professionals now already on the boat and on a also SUP board.
Kizzy, tell us here, palun.
Well done, Kizzy. All by yourself.
Kizzy's a professional on this board. There you go, Sonny. Well done. Look at him. Well done, Kizzy. Kizzy's seriously, he's a serious businessman. This thing. Who's going to have a go and I'll stay with their baby?
Yeah.
You must. Good boy, Sonny. Keep working. Keep working. You got it.
When the current is strong, it's actually quite challenging being on that big boat by yourself, trying to get back on the shore.
Wrong way. Pull. The what? The skates. Look at that manoeuvring. Good boy. Hey, there he is. There he is. Look at him bringing it home. That's not easy, you know.
Mm-hmm. You went very far.
Yeah, he's understanding it now. You get it now. Good boy. Good boy. You got it. You got it. You've got it. You've so got this. Well done.
So this is the freshwater spring, Allikas.
Who's gonna try it? We're actually gonna drink it.
Does it taste okay?
Yeah, it tastes like warm water.
Sunny, you wanna try? What's in your mouth? Oh, you got candy! Cheeky monkey. Nice? Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. Wait for us.
Okay.
Alright.
It's time to test it. It's drinkable. It's actually fresh. And it
Uh-huh.
actually tastes like normal water.
Careful, don't get your slipper falling in.
Imagine. Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah?
Do you want to try, Mommy?
I'm okay, I've tried it before. Okay, you can put the lid back on. So this is where the
Whoa!
lake is. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's it.
Let's go. Let's close these.
Right. This is it. Allikas. Freshwater spring.
How can tanks not get stinged by the stinging nettle?
Dang, don't go so fast. So here, looks like all the fishermen have left their boats here. Isn't it?
Okay.
So all the boats. Ready for fire? Let me see how much food you got.
Look.
Wow. How are you gonna break it? Don't go over it. Well done.
If he loads it, I bring it up and down.
Okay, good job.
The HMS Blackonian is ready to sail again. Go. Here. That. Yes. Get under it. There you go, King. I like my fire starters. There you go. Okay.
Those little noises she makes while she sleeps are so cute. I love it when she sleeps on my chest like this. Precious time. So we end up doing 2 fires because boys wanted to have their own fire and not to have the fire together with mommy and daddy. So they are at the far back there while we are having our fire here with the coals for the barbecue. These cute little ducks came to visit us.
You okay? You okay? Yeah, you are. He was really going into the water earlier as well. Did you see him? He went really deep. Yes, my bubba. Sorry?
I overcooked it and it burned. Daddy, I overcooked it and now it's burnt.
Let's see.
Okay, I've got something good for you.
Look.
Is it nice? Yummy. Right, so the boys wanted to have their own fire. They didn't want to have fire with mommy and daddy, so they have their own fire. They brought their own wood. And look at that. That's a nice fire. Well done, boys. What are you cooking today? Sausages. Are you going to do some veggies? Some vegetables? You're not eating vegetables today? Okay. I hear you. Nice.
Beautiful early morning sunrise.
Yeah, that was a false start. Sonny, you didn't do 5. You're cheating.
Stop cheating. Around this way. I know bide you out the way this time, Kizzy. Kizzy's gone the wrong way.
Sonny, no cheating.
No.
Sonny, do it properly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ouch. Oh my gosh. Oh god. You're going the wrong way.
So, Kizzy, you didn't even go around. Yeah, a lot of cheating.
1, 2, hang on. 3, 4, 5. Right. We go, beat bag. Bag.
Sunny, you need to jump. No running. Sunny, you're cheating.
Cheaters never win, and winners never cheat. Oh my god.
5 spins, 5 spins.
10 spins before you throw. 10
Ah,
spins.
10 spins.
10 spins. Two, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Oh my god.
Did you already get it? Go on, Daddy, go on. Don't give up, yeah? Don't give up.
I've done about 10 shots of tequila.
Come on, Daddy. You can't give up. Winners never quit, yeah?
Yeah, and kid, I just watching Daddy suffer.
I really am suffering right now.
Yeah!
Last place.
First from the back, yeah?
Oh my god.
Our adventures here at the RMK campsite near Värska has come to an end and time to go back home. As we were on a holiday mode, we didn't stop there. We went back home, and actually near our home we also have a really nice lake and like a camping site with a nice green field and with some tables and chairs where we can sit, have a picnic and enjoy beautiful summer days. Then also jump into the lake for some swim to cool down, and obviously Tank loves running around, swimming, searching for all kinds of things he's not allowed. And here is me and Dolly chilling as well while the boys are doing a barbecue and going for a swim. Daddy is in his natural element here, obviously cooking on a barbecue, drinking beer, and in just general enjoying life, listening to music as well. I had to take off the volume for the copyright reasons, but yeah, as you can see, Tommy is thoroughly enjoying and jamming to the music, and you can see my foot also tapping along while Tank is also chilling, and there they are, tired men from all that barbecue shenanigans. And of course, Dolly is also sleeping. Come here, Tank. Good boy. Tank. Tank is thoroughly enjoying being outdoors, rolling around in the grass, having fun. And obviously every time I call him to come to me, he completely ignores it, as usual. He just loves being off the lead, running around, doing his own thing. Quite often he also goes near the water, and actually sometimes there are some fish from the fishermen. So if the fishermen catch some fish, they sometimes leave some dead fish by there. And then obviously he loves eating that, although he's not allowed.
Tank, come here. Come on, Tank.